I got my DJI Mavic Mini a few weeks ago, and have had about a dozen flights with it. While I was out on a hike the other day with my wife, I had the unfortunate event of crashing it, as you will see in this video. I learned a few things from that crash that I'd like to show you, and hope that maybe you won't have that same crash yourself. I also learned a couple other things on that trip, so let's put them all in this same video. Before we get right into the crash, I want to talk to you about the first mistake I made that day, and that was not removing the gimbal cover. As you see in this footage, the gimbal is trying to stabilize itself and reacting sporadically by going up and down while it tries to find center. Eventually it gives up and shows an error on my screen I didn't notice until much later. You will notice from this first footage that it looks like the drone is unable to stabilize itself, but it's simply the gimbal not able to stabilize itself. Once the gimbal cover is removed, you will notice the drastic difference in footage you get. Just look at how much smoother that is. So bummed it took me so long to notice. Okay, let's get to the crash. Thankfully it was a fairly slow crash, only about 6 feet off the ground. When it hit the ground, it folded in 2 of the 4 rotor arms. You will see me here picking it back up and unfolding the arms. Everything appears to be okay as I set it back down and take off again. After flying it for a minute, I noticed that the camera is facing the ground. A quick reboot of the drone and all is back to work. I must have forgotten to hit the record button though, as I didn't get any footage of the drone flying again. I did fly it on a different day though, and everything worked out fine. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment below. I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe bell and the notification button to get alerted when my next video goes live.